Here you can see the beauty of nature. I will show you the beauty of nature. Here you can find a bird and a squirrel enjoying their habitat. Here you can see a bird chirping on the stem, and I will also show you the squirrel. Here it is. Here uh, 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 yes, here it is, the squirrel at the top of the screen. Yes, trying to come down, and and it it eats the flower, and you can watch the beauty of nature, how the nature and the bird and the squirrel enjoy. Here you can see the squirrel is taking its food. Like, you can see the how the squirrel is eating the food, the flower. Yes, I hope this video will refresh your mind and give you the happiness. So if you like the video, share it, and subscribe it. First subscribe it, then like it. Okay, so let's zoom it. This is the nature. Love it, love it. Plant a tree, and have a such scene that how a bird and a squirrel make a habitats on the tree, and enjoy the beauty of nature.